No one is trying to be in their hair all the time, and gorgeous wigs and their new premium synthetic fiber units are amazing now. Here are a few of the goodies that came in my box. I don't know what's gonna come in your box, but this is what came in mine. And look at the shine and luster on this unit. Now the curls are long lasting, so no matter how much time goes by, boo, it's gonna look just like this. Now I love the way that the lace is laid and the part is automatically in there. And one of my favorite parts, you guys, I'm all in to scalp health, and look how breathable this unit is. You can put your fingers in there and scratch and everything, and you can see that it has the clips and the lace that covers the front. But look at these fibers, okay? These curls are long lasting, and of course it is going to be a little longer lasting than human hair fibers because you're not having to go back and curl it yourself. So it's super cool. I just got my tinted spray really quick because I didn't want to tint the lace and do all of that, because you don't need to. Remember, this is supposed to be something that you are able to do with one brush, something super quick, right? So we're not doing all of the melting of the lace because this is a quick fix, and that's why I really love this unit. Look at the body in these curls. Like, no matter what, they are going to be there. And truth be told, even though it's cool to have a long and drawn out YouTube video, nobody wants to do their hair for long periods of time. Nobody's trying to be in the bathroom for hours, right? So this is super duper easy. The unit fits very well, right? And once I put that spray on, it blended very well with my skin. So now at this point, all I have to do is adjust the straps and put the combs in on the side. You guys, there's literally nothing to do, which makes it really great. And so of course you can move it around. I didn't want to do a side part this day just because I didn't want to, because if I did a side part, I needed to like put layers in it, and I don't want to cut it. I just want to show you guys how simplistic it is, because what is the point of having synthetic fibers if you still have to do a whole bunch to prepare it, right? So remember, it's really easy to maintain. There's no need to define any of the curls. It's ready to go as soon as you take it out of the box, like I just said. And mind you, it won't be affected by weather. You don't have to worry about, you know, like the curls swelling up, or, you know, if you go outside. Of course, if it gets wet, it'll be wet, but it'll just be a cute little curl pattern. It won't be disturbed or anything by the weather, humidity, or anything like that. So this was really good. It fit really well around my face, and like I said, I didn't need to add any additional bands or anything. All I did was went ahead and plucked the hairline just a little bit, but mainly this part. I just plucked the part. As you can see, I didn't really need to add a cap underneath at all, but I just did it, you know, just for me, you know. So we're not melting lace because remember, this is something that's supposed to be quick and easy. But look at the luster as I comb through. You can see that shine. This is with no product whatsoever within this hair. All right, so it's really self-explanatory, you guys. There's literally nothing to do except for take it out of the box, put it on your head, pluck it to your liking, and then play with it. Do what you want. And of course, you can frame it if you want, you can cut it, but I wanted to show you guys the true length without me doing anything to it. Let me know what you think about it in the comments, and make sure you get your hands on one by clicking the links in the description box below. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved. But you ain't even flexing, and you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, your applaud. Got me think about inside the moss. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper, You with a big stepper who chasing the cheddar, All of these women, they not on your level, You like a mix of business and pleasure, You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved. But you ain't even flexing. 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 But you ain't even flexing.
So much, 'cause I really care too much. It's all just over.